Some athletics news now. The National Stadium track has officially been certified by World Athletics 15 months after it was resurfaced by track manufacturer Recorten. Sports Minister Olivia Grange made the announcement during her contribution to the sectoral debate on Tuesday, revealing that the government had received official correspondence from World Athletics confirming the certification.
That we are all waiting to hear. I quote, "All synthetic surface field test measurements comply with World Athletics requirement." Madam Speaker, what this means is that the National Stadium track, the beautiful, unique black, gold, and green track is certified. And we have the certification in hand. And it is certified as a Class 1 facility.
Minister Grange also hinted at a multi-million-dollar partnership focusing on the redevelopment of the Trelawney Stadium.
As part of my commitment to sports transformation in the West, we advanced in discussions around a partnership to redevelop and reimagine the Trelawney Stadium through the investment of a $550 million into the expansion and redesign of the facilities.
The correspondence from World Athletics to Independence Spark Limited, a copy of which has been seen by TVJ Sports, indicated that the certificate would be issued with the exception of the steeplechase facility, which doesn't comply with World Athletics requirements.